Hey, my name is Bram and I'm living the van life inside of my small Ford Transit. And after all the borders closed because of some pandemic, I was stuck in Turkey for over a year. But then the border of Iran reopened. And this is my story of how I got into Iran. Okay, welcome everybody! I have so exciting news. So I went to Ankara a couple of weeks ago to pick up my visa for Iran. But that's not everything. My carnet de passage arrived here in Turkey in the postal office. I'm now on my way to pick it up, and that means that I have all the documents I need to pass into Iran. I'm so excited. I'm now driving towards the postal office that has my documents, and hopefully I can pick it up without any problem. So the postal office where I want to deliver my package to, my package is not there. They delivered it to another postal office on the other side of town. So there's a storage depot of the PTT, the postal office here in Turkey. They told me, yeah, it's somewhere here in the building, but we don't know where it is, so we're gonna search. They took me with them into the warehouse where all the packages were, where all the letters were. They were sorting it all out, and I was just sitting there and... But good news, I have finally the last document I need to go into Iran. I'm in the Royal Automobile Club of Belgium. Yes, I'm very royal, very royal. Yesterday I drove 400 kilometers to this place. Here I spent one night. Still, I have to drive another 600 kilometers to reach the border of Iran. Let's just go! Good morning. Tonight was a very cold night. There is ice on the inside of my window. I'm now 250 kilometers away from the border of Iran. But yeah, I hope to arrive today in Van. I need to show you something. This is gonna be so epic because this is the most epic sleeping place I had in a long time. Look at this. This is Van Gölü. And it is this really big lake here in Turkey. And it's so beautiful. You can see all the mountains all over there. The third highest mountain I can see from here. I have 360 degrees of view. And the most beautiful thing about it is I'm alone. I'm alone. I can be in peace. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'm gonna pass into Iran. So this is gonna be my last night here in Turkey. And what a beautiful one! I'm so excited! And tomorrow, guess what? Guess what? I'm going to Iran! Woo! Look at this view, it's crazy! I'm on my way to Iran! It's also a bit snowing, so I cannot drive too fast. So excited! Let's go! Things that are happening here on this border are so strange. I'm in Iran. Finally. We talk later. So, my first day in Iran, and I've already feeling that there's so many changes since yesterday that I was in Turkey. The whole culture is completely different. The people are different, the language is different. I can barely read anything because there are all these squiggly lines. People are like staring at me like very obvious from the moment that they see me until I pass them. They're like staring at me. But yeah, very strange. Very strange. First bus experience here in Iran. I'm in the middle of attention again. The second-hand stores here in Iran, there are just store after store after store, so many clothes that you can find here. I bought myself also a shirt. Patron, 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 patron. This building is way bigger than it looks on picture. And from this moment on, my adventure in Iran was just getting started. In my next video, I'm gonna go into Maranjab desert, and there it's really crazy. And I'm standing in the middle of nowhere. That's why I love van life so much. God.